Welcome to the Bates Motel, where the psychotic markets take charge. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Monday, the 15th of March. And, of course, what a crazy psychotic market we're seeing. This update is brought to you by our partners and friends at Family Farmers, who help us help farmers take better care of their farms or money and keep them protected at all times. In the meantime, as I said, the markets are absolutely wacko. I've been up trading them since about 11:30 last night, and they've been up and they've been down and they've been all around, all over the place, just making some really crazy gyration moves out of nowhere. And when we look at the overall situation, we are long everything but the NASDAQ. We are short the NASDAQ still. And I think the NASDAQ is the only one that looks like it may qualify to say that the top is in, at least in the NASDAQ. This looks like it's making a lower high. Now, we'll see. It's not a final score. Okay, but in the meantime, all markets are slightly higher, but they'll be on either side of unchanged by the time you see this update. So we won't say anything nuts here because it is just nuts out there. And the metals, gold, silver, and platinum are higher, but they look pretty weak. I'll be honest with you. It looks like a very weak market. It looks like a better selling opportunity. Now, we are short gold and silver. We no longer trade platinum, but the signal is short in case anybody wants to know. But they should have reacted a little bit better off of all the heavy selling, and they really haven't. Doesn't mean that they won't. Okay. But again, right now, they have not. In the bonds and notes are charging higher, and they've been on both sides unchanged as well. But it looks like this battle between the bonds and the fixed income markets against the Fed is going to continue, showing the Fed how ignorant they really are. And of course, we'll see where it leads to eventually. Copper is lower, which has also been posted as unchanged. Net gas is lower. The dollar is slightly higher. We are long dollars and short net gas and short copper. So, we're looking at the markets, and crude oil is getting hammered, which we're still long. Okay. But as you look at the overall picture, you can just see that the crazy action really tells you something. It tells you that something's going to happen. Now, it can go either direction. We don't know yet which direction it is. We can only base it on where our positions stand. But, something big is underneath the system, underneath the surface, going to create a much bigger move pretty much everywhere. You look at the grain markets today. Corn and wheat are both up about a nickel, and they were both lower overnight. Soybeans are down about a dime. So once again, we've got some crazy action there as well. The meats, both fats and feeder cattle, are slightly higher. Hogs are down about $1 after being up a couple of bucks on Friday. So at the end of the day, again, you play the price action. Forget about the news. You want to watch the trading action because that will tell you everything that you need to know. In the softs, cotton is lower. We're short. OJ is slightly higher. We're short. Coffee was slightly higher. We're short. Sugar was flat. We're short. And cocoa was higher, and we are long. But again, these things could all change by the time you see this update. So just be prepared. Again, the best strategy is observe patiently and looking to pick your spots and know your exits. In the meantime, don't forget about our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. There's nothing like it. I mean, everybody loves it, and it continues to create a buzz. And, of course, with what we've done to it as far as breaking into components as well now. So check it out, Technomental, at BUBBATrading.com. And, of course, we have two brokerage partners we prefer. Now, I have many brokers, but the two I prefer for futures and commodities, I prefer CTG Group because, A, they've got great customer service. They're the only ones authorized for our letter direction trading. They trade my accounts, which tells you what I think of them, and they've got some great managed futures products. For equities and options, there's nothing like Tradier. I mean, first I say to you the same thing every day, $10 a month. Think about how much money you would save at $10 a month to your current commission bill. Okay, add in that we've got their API, so we have the ability to automate your account if you'd like for our models, right? If you want to hedge with our model or use our equity portfolios, we can automatically trade them for you. No, it's not required. It is totally your choice, and there is no additional cost to it. It's free. It's part of your membership. And of course, the customer service there is terrific. So, again, keep these things in mind. And as you know, I'm only looking out for your best interest, as I also am trying to educate our youth. And that's if you'd like to help us out at our high school program. It's go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day. March Madness starts Thursday night, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Going to be awesome. A lot of crazy stuff. And we'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.